Yo, V Nation, are you looking for a nice little small portable Bluetooth speaker to take with you on the go so you can rock out to your favorite tunes? I think you're going to stay tuned and check out this video on this new Bluetooth speaker from Tribit. It's the StormBox Flow. Alright? Yo, Skippy, roll that intro. Okay, YouTube, this is your boy Mark from loosescrewzzandviews back again another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Yo, V Nation, it's your main man Mark, back again with another video. Today we're going to take a look at a portable Bluetooth speaker from Tribit, or Tribit, or I'm not sure, I'm hoping not murder the name. It's the StormBox Flow. But before we get started, can you do me a favor? Can you go down there and hit that subscribe button? It really helps the channel. It's free, it don't cost anything, and you'll be helping somebody out. Alright, got that out of the box. Got that out of the way. Alright, you Nation, it's your main man Mark, back again with another video, and today we're going to be looking at another Bluetooth speaker. I just recently did a video on the sound core, you know, and I saw that Tribit had one that just came out. I said, let me go ahead and check theirs out, see what they're working with. Let's see here. Let's say it's the Tribit StormBox Flow portable Bluetooth speaker, up to 30 hours of playback. Let me get here where you can see what I'm reading. You got up to 30 hours of playback time, which that's going to vary. 25 watt speakers. And it's IP67, dust proof and waterproof. Okay. Got the little branding up here. It's got the name. Let's see what it says right here. Stereo party pairing, 3 custom sound modes. All right, so that's for the EQ. Let's see here. Thank you for choosing Tribit. All right, you can pause this information, read it for yourself. All right, so let's go ahead and you see the box and everything. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy out of the box. Got Milwaukee on deck. Let's see. Got it in plastic. That's when you know you got a brand new product. A lot of times you get products in the mail and they be stuff that's been returned and there's something that's new. But anyway, I digress. Let's see here. All right, got paper off. All right, well, it's sealed up here too. Well, that's when you know. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Making sure you know you got a brand new product. All right, let's see here. Open it up. Okay, look at the presentation. All right, take the beat anywhere. Okay, all right, presentation pretty cool so far. All right, we got this, like we got the speaker itself. Let's go ahead and put this to the side. All right, let's see what other goodies we got in here. We got an instruction booklet right here, and it looks like we got a C2C power cable. All right, a little short one. I mean, very short. All right, probably about 1.5 feet, something like that. All right, let's put that aside. Nothing else in this box. Nothing else in the box. Let's toss this box to the side. All right, take a look at the instructions real quick before we get to the meat and potatoes. All right, as you can see here. You can pause this information and read it for yourself. You know, they got everything you need to know about the speaker in here. There's the charging the speaker, all that power on and off, pairing, all that. And I'm thinking you can pair a couple of these together for stereo sound. But anyway, let's get to the main event. Put these directions to the side. All right, let's get it out of here. All right, okay, it's got some weight to it too. I tell you, it got some weight to it too. Yeah, they about weigh the same. This one's a little bit lighter. I can tell this one's a little bit lighter than the sound core. But yeah, about the same, you know, almost. Let's take a look at the outside of the speaker. It looks like you have your power button, Bluetooth button, lower volume, mode button, which will probably be a play button, and then you got your higher volume right here, EQ, and then you get this little infinity speaker thing, this infinity symbol right here. Not sure what it is. I'm gonna have to look at the instructions and find out what it is. Got your little minimum branding right here. Got some more branding. So it's got rubber feet on the side, and it's got rubber feet on the bottom. Okay. Got your little carrying cord right here, so you can hang it from your backpack or hang it wherever you want to hang it. Let's see here. All right, you got your USB-C charging slot right here. And where else? What else? We're missing something. There's something on here. Because if I was not mistaken, when I was reading that you could also use it as a power bank, but let me do a little bit more reading before I confirm that. All right. So this is the speaker itself. It feels pretty decent. Got some, nice little coating on here. All right. It feels pretty good. Got some weight to it. But you know what we got to do? We got to go ahead and do a sound test and see how it sounds. It can look good all day, but if it doesn't sound good, then what's the use? All right. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and cue up some of them banging tracks from Epidemic Sound, and we're gonna do a sound test on this bad boy and see how it sounds. All right. All right. Hold tight.
It's my boo. I can make $250,000 off a haiku, and I can make another quarter off a time. the aesthetic. It's hard to forget it. I hear you talking, but you're hardly right. I'm the voice of your prototype. Summertime and NY. Summertime and NY. It's too cool. Get the drop tops out. Summertime and NY. Fits right.
All right, we back. Ooh, well, I hope you guys, love that banging tracks from Epidemic Sound. Your main man, Mark, I get kind of carried away when I, do my sound test, because them tracks on Epidemic Sound be banging. Boy, they be banging. Boy, they have some nice tracks right there. But I'm going to leave a link down in the description box below for Epidemic Sound so you can get more detailed information on Epidemic Sound. But back to the speaker. For this being a budget-friendly speaker, I think this is a definite pickup. I mean, is it the best speaker in the world? No. Is it like Bose sound quality? No. But for a budget, being a speaker in a budget price range, yeah, I think this is pretty decent. I mean, are you gonna get the best sound in the world? No. I mean, sound is determined. Everybody has different taste in sound. So to one person it might sound good, the other person might not sound like trash. So it's up to you when you get it. But as far as me, I noticed they had it when I had it up to like max volume, playing it. I noticed a tad bit of distortion, and the bass wasn't all the way there where I would like it to be. But other than that, it sounds great to me. I mean, like I said, you're not breaking the bank. You're not spending a whole bunch of money. You're saving some dollars, and you're getting a decent quality product. It's, like I said, it's not it's not up there at the Bose quality. What you're paying like overpriced. You're paying like them over $100 and something price range, or $200. I mean, they're keeping it under $100 so you can get something decent to listen to. I mean, you can get it wet. You ain't got to worry about getting messed up if you get caught in the rain or out camping. I mean, it's a decent speaker. But I believe a link down in the description box below for more detailed information. Like if you're interested in something like this, I mean, like I said, I'm not an expert, so spec junkies, don't beat me up down in the comment section. Like I said, I'm just a regular everyday person. Just like to showcase new products again like this on the channel. All right. And the battery life is pretty decent too. So I was surprised, but the battery life is pretty decent for what it is. Like I said, hey, it's pretty cool. But if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, notification bell to notify new videos. So tell a friend, tell a friend, tell that friend, tell a friend to subscribe. So you see new and cool products like this on the channel. I know I'm moving kind of quick. I'm going here and there because I got so many videos I'm putting out, but just bear with me. But I appreciate everybody taking our time out of the day to check out the video, all right? And like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated, all right? All right. Let's see here. The message for the day is, learn to be forgiving and don't hold grudges, all right? Forgive one another as God forgave us, you know what I'm saying? Because God has forgiven us for a whole bunch of stuff, I mean, I understand, a lot of times you can't forget things, but you can forgive, and don't hold them grudges, because grudges don't do nothing but make you sick and tired. I mean, it takes too much energy to be sitting up there holding grudges on one another. I mean, to tell the truth, when you forgive somebody, it's kind of almost like a weight off your shoulder. So, I mean, because you want somebody to forgive you, so why don't you forgive somebody else? You know what I'm saying? So that's all your main man Mark is saying. Learn to be forgiving and don't hold grudges. That's the message for today. This has been your main man Mark for Loose Screws and Views. Drop the mic, baby, and I'm out. Peace. Boy, I gotta slow it down, all these videos. That's right.